Hello all, welcome to Advishishta, a Desi casual clothing collection. My name is Neha. Today I'm going to share you an amazing summer kurti collection set. So let's get started. This is our first kurti set. This is a black color floral kurti set. The floral motifs are throughout the body and the yoke part consists of mirror work, thread work and lace work to the corners. This is a knee-length kurti, comes with straight cut and the hands are 3/4 hands and to the corner of hands we have lace work. This is a pure cotton kurti and this kurti comes with plain black straight cut pant. We have all sizes in this kurti from M, L, XL and XXL. Our next outfit is beautiful magenta pink color kurti set. This kurti set consists of bandhani work and mandala work throughout the body. This is a knee-length kurti set and it's a straight cut kurti. Coming to the yoke part comes with thread work, mirror work and it's a kind of V pattern neck. And the hands are it comes with gota patti work to the corner. It comes with straight cut bottom and to the bottom there is a gota patti lace work. This is a 2.5 meters pure cotton dupatta and dupatta comes with printed border and it's a soft cotton dupatta. This is a pure cotton dress and we have all sizes in this. So let's get into the next outfit. This is a dark orange color kurti set and this kurti set consists of flower motifs throughout the body and to the yoke part it consists of mirror work, thread work, chunky work and lace work to the corners. This consists of U-neck. This is a 3/4 kurti with the A-line cut. And coming to the hands, these are 3/4 sleeves having lace work to the corner. This kurti set comes with bottom and dupatta. This is a straight cut bottom. Coming to the dupatta, it's a pure cotton dupatta, printed cotton dupatta. It's a 2 meters dupatta. Let's get into the next kurti set. Wow, did you see that, Ghera? It's a beautiful baby pink and off-white combination set. The bottom we have off-white with floral motifs. Coming to the middle portion, it consists of kalis with alternative printed design. Coming to the yoke part, it consists of button work and floral pattern and beads work as well. It comes with 3/4 sleeves and the total ghera is of 4 meters. This dress has a specialty of it contains design to the back as well. Floral design at the back. This dress comes with a dupatta. It's a huge 2.5 meters dupatta. It's a printed dupatta, comes with gota patti work to the bottom. We have all sizes in this dress. Wow, this is a beautiful blood red color kurti set. This kurti set consists of dotted motifs throughout the body. Coming to the yoke portion, we have flower pattern, leaves pattern, thread work and mirror work to the yoke. Coming to the hands, we have 3/4 hands having leaf work with the thread work to the corners. This is a knee-length dress and it has straight cut. This dress comes with straight cut bottom, having lace at the bottom. We have all sizes in this dress. Let's get into the next kurti set. This is a beautiful mustard color kurti set. This kurti set consists of floral motifs throughout the body. Coming to the yoke portion, we have mirror work, thread work and gota patti lace work to the corner. Coming to the hands portion, this is a 3/4 hands. Comes with gota patti work to the corners. This kurti is knee-length kurti and it has straight cut. This kurti comes with bottom. This is a straight cut pant. We have all sizes in this dress. Let's get into the next kurti set. It's a beautiful blue color kurti set. It has flower motifs throughout the body. Coming to yoke part, we have mirror work and thread work, and to the corner we have gota patti work. It's a V-neck. And coming to sleeves, we have 3/4 sleeves. It's a comfortable cotton kurti and it has straight cut. This comes with straight cut pant with adjustable dori. Coming to dupatta, it's a pure cotton printed dupatta with 2.5 meters length. We have all sizes in this dress. Let's get into next kurti set. This is a beautiful pink color kurti set and it has multi-color flower motifs throughout the body. Coming to the yoke part, it has thread work, chunky work and to the corners we have gota patti work. Coming to the hands portion, it's a 3/4 sleeves and having gota patti work to the corners. This is a knee-length kurti and having straight cut. It has a printed bottom, having straight lines and it's a straight cut pant. Soft cotton kurti set. We have all sizes in this dress.